Traders, hello. It is an end of week update. So as you can see, it is a mixed bag of results, floating in a negative 1.2% unrealized loss on my AUDCAD position. USD yen is in a teeny tiny bit of profit, just holding above 106. And the Euro Aussie is looking a-okay. I will have to wait a little bit longer to move that stop loss to break even. And the USDCAD closed strongly. So although I didn't trade the USDCAD, I took the AussieCAD earlier in the week. I think that was, tell me, it was on the 14th. So that was 15th yesterday. So the 14th, no, Wednesday. I took that on Wednesday, and as you can see, it has collapsed pretty nicely. So there's stop loss down at 10070. So yeah, it's pretty close. I think I am gonna probably get closed out here with a. It should be a 2% loss. I'm intrigued why it's only 1.2, but it's still got a little. I mean, that's probably 80% of the stop loss. So. And we will bring up the Euro Aussie. Now, I don't, like you win some, you lose some. So I bought into strength. A perfect entry would have probably been above that candle there. Not this candle here, to be honest. That's more, to me, it's testing that level, but you really want some strength. And I did. I got into it. So it's not the end of the world. If that closes out, this month would still be, I might not have risked 2%. I might have been a little less because I did have a nice 2+% winning trade on the USDCAD earlier in the month. So to me, just looking ahead, if it's a flat month, that's not the end of the world. I've still got the Euro Aussie and the USD yen, which are, they're not fantastic, but I'm in a tiny little bit of profit. I'm very flat right now, honestly. I'm pretty much, there's not anything spectacular going on. I'll bring up the Euro Aussie. It's be a quick video though, guys. So as you can see, a little bit of strength now. So I got in here, and it's going to be interesting. I'd like to see it retrace a little bit on Monday, and then continue this strengthening on later in the week, next week. So we'll keep an eye on that. That's where I got in, guys. So as you can see, I got in on the 9th. So we're talking, it's more than 2 weeks now, so it's interesting to see how it will go. Well, that's the 9th of Feb, so it's actually more than 5 weeks. I think the 9th of Feb was like a Tuesday, so this coming Tuesday will be 6 weeks, or 5 weeks. No, it'll be 6, so a long time, but that's not really bothering me. And now the USD yen. Look at this one here. It's range bound. It's, there's not a lot really to talk about when it comes to moving stops or anything like that. This one's more relevant, the Euro Aussie. It's going to have to get to, I think, 1086 or so, and then I'll move the stop to break even. So we've protected the risk. Well, we've taken the risk off the table essentially, and the Aussie CAD. Well, that's I would call that. It's almost, beyond recovery, but we'll see. I don't close trades out early when it comes to losses, and I really try not to do that for winning trades either. So, pardon me. Yeah, so that is the USD yen. Even if it collapses a little bit more, there's strong support at the 105, mid, and then below there's 105.2, and then 105 is very strong. So it's yeah, I would be able to move the stop loss if it gets back down to about here. No, it's going to have to be a lot lower. Just looking at the stop loss there, that's incorrect. That's actually not. Probably really good. It would have been good to get in there, to be honest. So I got in a bit late, but I'm a transparent trader, guys. I'm going to show you everything, and if you haven't perused the channel, please feel free. There's some stock trading stuff. Currently, I'm not doing that as much. I was using a platform for demo trading that costs quite a bit of money a month. I've just stopped that for now. I'm focused. I'm just focused more on Forex. There's a lot going on, so I got into Forex first, trading side of things. So I'm just going to keep chipping away the small account and add to it next year, probably the start of next year, I'll add probably it might be a $10,000 account. Is what I'm thinking. So I'm saving towards that as well. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Bye for now. Update if the AUDCAD closes out next week, which I'd sort of like it to, because then it would free up some capital to. I'll buy the USDCAD. Absolutely. I wouldn't really even hesitate. I'd like to see just sideways on Monday or a little bit of retracement, something like that. I don't mind if it looks like something like that, and then a nice bullish candle. I typically don't just buy just straight into Monday. I like to see how Monday pans out. Gives me an idea of how the rest of the week's going. That's something you learn from backtesting. I do a lot of backtesting. Not right now, but I did. I try and do it about 2 to 3 hours a week still. And I put a video up a little while ago about it, a Saturday night backtest video. But other than that, guys, thank you for watching. Bye for now, and have a great weekend.